Hey folks, I'm sitting out here outside the greenhouse on the ground with basil, and I'm doing a little bit of trimming, and I wanted to give you some tips for getting the most robust basil. So you can see this one that I just trimmed already, and I know it looks really sad being like truncated like that. However, it was the tallest one in the bunch, so it was even taller than these guys right here. We start trimming our basil once it reaches at least 4 to 6 inches tall and gets a few different little nodes. So here you can see where I cut has 2 little sprouts on the edge, and I cut right above that. Those 2 are going to grow into full new branches, and then as those branch we can trim them and they'll branch more and more, and it goes so on. So like this guy, I could either cut down here or I could come up another node, and sometimes I just pinch, you know, do something like this, and then it would be like that. Or you can use, I have little trimming shears if you don't feel comfortable too. So there's my tip for bushy basil.